this video, we are going to download and install the latest version of Python into a Windows computer. Let's get started. To download and install Python to a Windows computer, open a web browser and type in python.org. Then you should go into Downloads and click this button, Download Python 3.9.7. Now this is the latest version at the time of recording, and it may change later with the updates. You can save any place. Once it is downloaded, you can click here and open the setup file. And if you want to change the location of installation, click on Customize Installation. Click on Next. And you can change the install location by clicking the Browse button. You can make a new folder like this. I will name it as Python. And click on Install. Click on Yes. And Python is fully installed. You can close the setup. Now you can open the Python by clicking on Start, and you can type in IDLE and you can click this, and yes, we can see that we have successfully installed Python.